cooking in the kitchen now, that's what we do. There's something cooking in the kitchen just for you. We'll need a recipe